Hi guys, my name is Wildan Saputra Wibowo from class XA, and in this video I want to tell you how to make a mango pudding. Tools and ingredients used to make a mango pudding as follows. The ingredients to make mango pudding are pudding powder, Dutch mango, and 500 milliliters of butter. And for the tools are saucepan, ladle, plastic containers, and stoves. First, pour the butter and the pudding powder into a saucepan and heat it using the stove over medium heat. While heated, stir the mixture until evenly distributed and cook until it boils. After boiling, turn off the stove and prepare the container plastic. Next, pour all the pudding mixture into a plastic containers and add Dutch mangoes to the mixture. Place the pudding mixture in the refrigerator until it solidifies. And after it has solidified, cut the pudding into pieces. And here we go, mango pudding is ready to be served.